Hello.
Hello,
Hi. Hi, Chahi. I'm very happy to see you tonight. How are you, Chahi?
I'm so fine.
Too. I'm feeling awesome. Are you ready for our English class tonight?
Yes,
Okay, let me share your book. So tonight, Chahi, we will learn a new lesson. So last time we talked about cotton candies. Okay, the sugar clouds that we love so much. Now we will have a new story down here. It's all about Lucky Me. Can you read it?
lucky
Lucky
me.
me. Very good. So we will think of or we will talk about the lucky things. Okay? But before we
Okay,
go there, we have some new words to learn. And I need your help here. So the first thing here we have words. So we have bamboo. Let's read. Chay.
bamboo, ring,
Hi. Hi.
tiny,
Hide.
hide, fur over,
Lost.
lost,
Very good. So now let's name these pictures. You need to help me spell these words and fill the missing letters. Okay?
okay,
Okay, let's start with the first one.
fur over,
Fall over. Can you help me spell it? F
L
A
L L
L
O
O
V E R,
V E R. Fall over. Very good. How about for number two?
lost,
For
lost,
number two, lost.
L
Let's spell
O
it.
S T,
Lost. How about for number three?
bamboo.
Bamboo. Can you spell it?
Bamboo.
O.
Oh, oh.
Okay. And number four, we have
Bring.
bring. Let's spell it.
Bring.
Good work. And for number five,
Tina. Tiny.
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 Again, let's say it.
Tine.
Y. T
Y.
I N Y. Tiny.
Tiny.
Number six. Can you help me with number six?
Hide.
Number
H
six is
I D E.
Hide. Hide. Very good. Now, let's try something here, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So before we go and answer the next activity, let's talk about these words first. So number one, our word here is fall over. Okay,
Where
look at the girl. She falls over. So when we say fall over, like you're doing something and then you suddenly fall. Okay, so you need to be careful so you will not fall over. So let's have number two. For number
lost.
two, yes, for number two, we have the word lost. So when we say lost, Jimin, you forgot about it and you can't find it anymore. Oh no, where is my phone? I lose my phone. Oh no, it's a lost. Now let's have number three,
Bamboo.
bamboo. So do you have bamboos in Korea? Do you have bamboos in Korea?
No.
Oh, you haven't seen one yet. Okay, but that's fine. I think you have some there. But bamboos are very long grass. Okay? They are not
Okay.
trees. They are grass, just very long grass. And there's an animal who eats this so much. Do you know panda? Do you know
Yes.
panda? Yes, pandas love eating bamboos. Okay, they like eating bamboos. How about number four? Number four is
Bring.
bring. Very good. So when we say bring, Chehi, you will get something and give it to someone. Okay? Like the nurse
Okay.
here, the nurse brings food to the old lady. So she brings food for her. How about number five?
Tiny.
Hi.
Tiny.
Okay, very good, very good. Tiny. So look, this is a huge mommy elephant, and this is a tiny baby elephant. So I will say tiny, it's super small. Tiny is
Smart.
very small. Okay, how about number six? Look,
Okay.
where is the cat? Look, the cat is hiding. Where is my cat? Ooh, my cat hides here. Hide means to go and not let anyone see you. Okay? You will hide.
Okay.
Do you like playing hide and seek?
Yes.
Yes, hide and seek is a very nice game. You will hide and then someone will look for you. Now, let's go and do the next activity down here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we will use the words that we learned a while ago to complete these sentences, and I need your help. Let's start with number one. My dog.
My dog.
What do you
My
think?
dog bamboos the ball.
Oh, it should be brings. The
Bring. Brings
dog. My
the
dog brings the
ball.
ball. Very good.
My
Okay.
cat hides under the bed.
Ooh, wow, that's a nice answer.
The
Hide.
computer chips are bamboo.
No, it's tiny.
Tiny.
Okay. So let's see. Tiny means it's very small. Can you read number three again?
The computer chips are tiny.
Very good. See, let me give you some hearts for your correct answers and a big high five. Chehi, that's a great work. Now let's go down here. We have our next page here. Oh, what's this? Chehi, what's this? It's
Bamboo.
bamboo. Yes. Now we are ready to read our story for tonight. The title is Lucky Me. Can you read it?
Lucky me.
Okay. I
I
fell.
fell over yesterday. I lost my money today. I want good luck. What can I do? You can get bamboo. In China, people give their friend bamboo at New Year. The bamboo brings good luck. Don't let it die.
Die. That brings.
That brings 29 years of bad luck.
Okay. So here we are talking about lucky things. Okay.
It
Because yesterday someone is very unlucky. Look, I fell over yesterday. Oh no. Someone lost money today. Oh no. So they are looking for things that are lucky. Okay? In China,
okay.
what is lucky in China?
Bamboo.
Bamboo. Can you say bamboo is lucky in China?
Bamboo is lucky in China.
Yeah. So when it's New Year, people give bamboos to their friends. Okay, so what can the bamboo do?
The
What can the
bamboo
bamboo do?
brings good luck.
What if it dies? What will happen if the
That
bamboo
brings
dies?
29 years of bad luck.
So when someone gives you bamboo, make sure that you will water it. Okay, take care of the
Okay.
bamboo so you will get a lot of good luck and not bad luck. Now let's go here. What's next? You
You
can
can
fly
find a rainbow.
in
In
Ireland.
in Ireland, people believe in tiny magic man. This man hid gold beside rainbow. The gold brings good luck.
Okay, so in Ireland, what is lucky in Ireland? Lucky, we have
Rainbow.
rainbow. How do you say that? Rainbow is lucky in Ireland.
Rainbow is lucky in Ireland.
Okay, so a lot of people in Ireland believe in tiny magic
Magic man
men, like elves. Okay, like elves, tiny elves, and they think this man hides something. What do they hide? What do they
is
hide?
man hide gold beside rainbow.
Yes, gold. This one. And that gold brings bad luck or good luck?
Good luck.
Yes, it brings good luck. This one. So they believe that at the end of a rainbow, there is a pot of gold. And this gold, they believe that this gold is so lucky. Okay, now let's go here. Okay,
Okay.
still have the next part of the story down here. You can get
You can get a white egg. In England,
in England,
white egg bring
bring.
good weather and good cheer. Don't get a brown egg. They are unlucky. I will do everything I will have are the lucky in the world.
Okay, so here in England, what is lucky in England? White.
White
White
egg.
egg is
White egg is lucky in England.
white egg is lucky in England. That is correct. Okay, so in England, what does a white egg do? White egg brings
White
what?
egg bring good weather and good chill.
Okay, how about brown egg?
How
Are
get
they lucky?
unlucky?
Unlucky. You can say brown eggs are unlucky. Brown eggs
Green egg
are
unlucky.
unlucky. Very good. Now let's go here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I will do everything. I will
I will
have
do
all the luck.
everything. I will have all the luck in the world.
Okay, so let's have this one. I have a
Did the
question for you.
under did the under have good luck yesterday?
Look what
Yes.
happened. Oh, look what happened to the author. I fell over. I lost
No.
money. Is he lucky? No. The answer here is no.
No.
How about number two?
Are brown eggs lucky in England? No.
No. Okay. There you go. That is amazing. Thanks for answering this one for me. Chehi, you did great. Now, after reading the story, we learned a lot about lucky things. Okay? Now it's about time
Okay.
to answer questions about it. What is the story all about, Chehi?
This story is about two
Different
different
way.
ways to get good luck.
Okay, very good. Can you say it again? Let's read it again. This story
To
is
get
about
this story is about different ways to get good luck.
very good. How about here below? We have questions about the story. Okay, we have three questions. Let's start with number one.
What happened when a bamboo plant dies?
What happens when a bamboo
People,
plant dies?
people get good luck.
Oh, it dies. The
Ah,
bamboo plant dies.
people get
Bad.
bad luck.
Okay, people get
Luck.
bad luck. Very good. How about for number two?
What do magic men hide and next to rainbow?
What do magic man hide next to rainbows?
Gold.
Gold. Very good. So how do you say that? Magic man
Magic man hide
hide.
next
No,
to
say.
rainbow is gold.
Oh, it's this is how you do it. Okay. Magic
Okay.
man hide gold
Magic man hide gold
next to rainbow.
next to rainbow.
Okay. Now let's go here. Number three. Okay. For number three, what does
What does a white egg not bring in England?
we're looking for something that it doesn't bring.
Good
Okay.
till. Good
Okay.
till.
Are you
A
sure?
lot
Lots of
of
money. Very
money.
good. We're talking about something that we can get from the white egg. That's great. I'll give you two thumbs up. That's awesome, Chahi. Okay, now let's go here. You got all of the correct answers, and that is great. Now, we have an organizer here, okay? And we need to complete this organizer using these words below. I need your help, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's read this. Good luck
Good luck
around the
around
world.
the world. China bamboo is lucky.
Very good. China. Wow. Ireland,
Ireland rainbow are lucky.
rainbows are lucky.
England white eggs are lucky.
Wow. How about in Korea? What is lucky in Korea?
Mm,
In the
mm,
Philippines, in our country, number seven is lucky.
mm,
How about you in Korea? What's lucky in Korea? What color
mm,
or what number, what food is lucky? Or what animal is lucky?
Good.
Yeah, what is lucky in Korea? In China, bamboo. In Ireland, rainbows. In England, white eggs. How about in Korea? What is lucky?
Yeah. Kimchi.
Oh, okay. Next meeting, I'll ask you again. You can ask your mom, okay? You can ask
Okay.
your mom or ask your dad or anyone at home. What is lucky? What are the lucky things in Korea? Can you say it? What are
What are
the lucky
the
things
lucky things
in Korea?
in Korea?
Very good. You can ask that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you did great. So now let's go here. It's time to complete the story summary. I know you can do it. Let's try it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So let's go here. Let's read and just tell me what's your answer so I can choose it for you.
People
People,
around the world get good lucky in different way. In China, people give bamboo at New Year. In Ireland,
tiny.
tiny magic men hide gold design rainbows. In England, white eggs bring good weather and good chill, but brown eggs are unlucky.
Wow. See? You did it and you did it so quick. What a nice work. This is correct, 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 and another correct answer. Thank you very much, Chehi. How about, let's learn something here. We have two words, okay?
Okay,
Lucky. Can you say it? Lucky
lucky.
and unlucky. Look, this is lucky. Someone who picks money or who sees some random money on the streets. And unlucky means when you are doing a bad thing or you're in a bad situation, okay? It's very unlucky. Like this one, it's very messy. Oh no. So what do you want to be, Chehi? Do you want to be lucky or unlucky?
Lucky.
Is it? I want to be.
I want to be lucky.
Yes, that's nice. Now, it's time to use lucky or unlucky in some sentences. We have three down here. Please help me complete each, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I got
I got the lost girl lean back. I am lucky.
lucky when, for example, you lose something and then you find it again. It means you are
My
lucky.
biker was barking. I am unlucky.
Yes, what an unlucky day when your bicycle
We
is
will give
broken.
a new car to the lucky winner.
Wow. Ooh, a new car. Do you like cars, Chehi?
Yes.
Ooh, so if you win like a new car, then you are super lucky. Now, we are done with these words, and you did such an amazing work. Thank you, Chehi. Let me give you a super high 10. High 10. Wow. Okay, Chehi, let's see. We still have time though. We can start with our new lesson. It's all about the goat
The
stars.
gold star.
Look, what are they doing? Look at this adorable kids. So they are looking outside. What are they looking at? They are looking
They
at
are
the
at the star.
stars. One more time. They are
They are
looking
looking
at
at
the
the star.
stars. Yes, so they are looking at the stars. So let's
The,
see. Can you
the
complete this
girls are
sentence?
looking at stars.
Very good. Do you do this, Chehi? Do you like looking at the stars?
Yes.
Yes, they are very pretty. Outside now. Can you see stars outside? Are there stars outside?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. But it's very cold outside. So you can't go outside and look at it right now. So I love looking at the stars too, especially when it's in the middle of the night. They look like shining crystals, and it's so pretty, like this one, very big star. Now, in our story, we will talk about a very special star. This one, I want to show you, okay? This one. This is a
Okay.
very special group of stars. And we will learn about this maybe next meeting if we can finish it today. So before we go there, I want you to look here, okay? So here we have words. So you need to help me choose the best word for each picture, okay? Number one,
We will be
okay, is it good to be evil?
evil.
Is it good to be evil?
No.
No, it's very bad. So evil is someone who does wrong things, who hurt someone, who makes someone cry, use someone to gain something. They are evil. Okay? And it's not
Okay.
good to be one of them. How about number two? Number two is
Giant.
giant. Is giant something huge or something tiny? Is giant huge or tiny?
Huge.
Huge. Giant is huge. Can you say it?
Giant and huge.
Okay, and giants are scary. Oh, I'm scared of giants. Like this one in the story, we will talk about a giant monster. Oh no. Okay, so let's go back here. Number three, we have here.
Low.
Oh, it's attacked.
Attack.
Okay, let me make it bigger for you. So we can see here the lion here attacks this very big buffalo. Okay, it runs and
Okay.
then attacks it. That's how they catch their food. They attack other animals. So let's go here. Number four, we have
Blow.
Oh, so how do you play this instrument? Like flute, you blow it. Do you know how to play a flute?
No.
Oh, okay. So when you play a flute, you push buttons and then you blow air onto it or inside the tube. How about number five?
Carry.
Scary. Oh no. Do you like watching scary movies?
Yes.
Oh, you like scary movies? You watch scary
No.
movies? Okay. So scary movies are like stories about ghosts, scary things like monsters. Oh no. It's scary. How about number six?
Run around.
Run around or run away? Sorry, run away. Look, oh no. This
Um,
bull This bull is chasing the man, so the man needs to run very fast. Oh no. Okay, run away. That's how runaway works. You need to run very fast from something that might hurt you or something that is very dangerous. Now let's go here. Okay?
okay.
Okay, can you please help teacher Anna with this one? We have sentences. Oh, but before that, let's read your answers first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, number one, your answer is
Evil.
number two,
Evil. Giant.
number three,
Attack.
number four,
Follow.
number five,
Carry.
scary, number
Run
six,
away. Run away.
runaway. Wow, new words for Chay. Good job. Now, we have three sentences to complete down here, and I need your help, okay? What do you
Okay.
think? What do you think is number one?
The dog ate my brother.
The dog attacked. Very good. This is very scary. That's why you don't go near stranger dogs, okay?
Okay.
Because they can attack you. You need to be careful. Okay? So let's go here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, number two.
The giant man went to jail. Jail.
Okay. Maybe we can say evil. Okay,
Evil.
someone that is bad.
Ah, evil.
Okay. The evil man. Let's read it.
The evil man went to jail.
And number three,
She she
blow,
blow
blows. Very good. She blows
blows a tram,
trumpet
trample
loudly.
loudly.
Okay, there you go. So we are done for tonight, Chehi. Let me just give you some stars for your correct answers. Nice work. Now let's go and end our class for tonight, okay? You did an
Okay.
amazing job for tonight, Chehi. I'll give you something before we go. I'll give you this. I'll give you one more. I'll give you this because you did an amazing job. Okay. Let's see each other next time. Have a great night. Bye bye, Chehi. Goodbye.
Bye bye.